guys, welcome back to a new YouTube video. So I got a package in the mail, and this, I haven't opened it yet, as you can see. We're going to open it up. It's a blue Woodpecker LPS, and yay, I'm so excited. So here we are. Yeah. Oh, there's bubble wrap there. Let's get you guys a little sneak peek. It's wrapped like really well. Can you guys see anything? Ooh. Ah, that's it. Ah, she's so cute. Look at her. She is so adorable. So she's in this like little package thingy, but look how cute. Oh my god. She is so cute. Am I gonna open her up? Yeah. Oh, here she is. Her head's the other way around. Oh my goodness, she is so cute. I have never gotten like a bird really LPS before. Oh my god, she is so cute. What should I name her? She's really cute. She hasn't got an LPS sign on her, which is a bit weird. But even if it's a fake, she is in pretty good shape, and she's got like this big, I'm not sure if you guys can see, it's like black dot right there. But I might be able to clean that off. But yeah, that is her. She's really cute. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Something new on my channel. Yeah, so I guess that has to do with the video. Bye guys, love you all. Woo!